Hi, Noel Polanco here again. Thanks for checking out our web series for HomeQwik Property Management. Today's topic, I'm just going to briefly discuss security deposits and how to protect your Phoenix or Arizona rental property. First of all, the number one argument that your property manager or any owner is going to have with the tenant is the cost and the damage, basically any charges to security deposit when your tenant moves out. We at HomeQwik, we do a move-in video and a move-out video. We also do a 6-month inspection in between. So with a move-in and a move-out video, there's almost never a discrepancy or a complaint or a disagreement about the charges assessed to a security deposit at the end. For the time it takes to do it, it's absolutely invaluable because you just can't dispute a video. We also obviously make our tenants provide a move-in checklist, so that's something that you want to account for. Give them an opportunity to tell you everything that's wrong with the property, and you won't hold them accountable for that when they move out. Next biggest thing, it's really hard to determine what is normal wear and tear. The law here in Arizona says that the tenants are allowed to assess wear and tear to the property as long as it's normal wear and tear. You're going to have scuffed up paint, you might have handprints. The carpet's not going to look brand new when you get it back. What you really want to look out for is there stains, damage, holes in the carpet. Is every single wall in the house need repainted because there's too many handprints or scuff marks, that kind of stuff. You just want to think about it with common sense. If you end up in front of a judge disputing your security deposit, what is the judge going to think is normal wear and tear? Make sure you've got an idea of what that is. Next, what's fair and legal? In Arizona, we've got a maximum deposit of 1.5 times 1 month's rent. That's the most you can ask for on a security deposit. You may have additional stuff such as cleaning fees, pet fees that may be non-refundable, but for the actual security deposit, it can only be so much. You also want to take in consideration fair housing rules. Is there a co-signer? And again, you can never go above that max deposit. So if these are things that you don't know about or don't fully understand, make sure you find out before you get involved in a lease and set an amount. Another thing that comes along with that is there's real strict guidelines and rules on what the time frames are for refunding security deposits. So make sure you understand what you can collect, when the full accounting is due afterwards, what is fair to keep, and when you've got to give it back to the tenant. Consider the legal ramifications, consider fair housing, and just make sure that you're giving them a fair and honest deal and you're prepared to give them their money back, whatever they've got coming back, in due time. If you're keeping money from the deposit, again, make sure that you've got evidence on why you're keeping it and a valid reason for it. Again, that move-in, move-out video will almost stop any argument in its tracks. Hope this was helpful. If you got any questions, never be afraid to give us a call, and please check us out at www.homeqwik.com. Thanks.